Yo, I got a 2006 Hyundai Entourage, however you want to pronounce that. It's got some codes in the thing. 171, 2187, 0174, 2189, p0101. I look at the live data on this thing. Short-term fuel trim is, well, 0, but the long-term is 21.9 on bank 1, and bank 2 is 21.1. I'm pretty sure I found the problem right away. It's got cracks in the intake boot, so it's going to get some wrong mass airflow sensor readings. I'm going to do a quick repair on this just to see if I'm right about it. They're probably going to want to buy one of these intake boots. I'll let them decide. These are like 10mm or Phillips screws on these clamps. I want to be real careful not to rip it any more than it already is. I don't want to take this cover off either because I'm really lazy. There's a hose that's attached to it. Suppose I better take that off. Yeah, that's nice. This one's ripped almost all the way through. I'm going to take this thing off just because it's kind of in my way. I'm going to like mark it too, so I put it back in the same location. I'm going to try to cure this with a whole bunch of black tape. It doesn't really want to stick, but once I wrap tape around itself, it will. One full roll of black tape later, and I think that'll work. Now my short-term fuel trim is negative, and the long-term fuel trim is going down. And this long term will keep going down just so long as this number's negative. And as long as this short term and or long term is under like 12, it's good. So I fixed it. Okay, bye.